We are assembling the baseball envelope card. And I want to start with the base of the envelope. I'm going to go ahead and get this put together. There we are. Okay, and I'm just going to start putting my panels on. So I've chosen a pattern for this one, obviously. This is Good Sport from Graphic 45. A lot of times Good Sport is my go-to mail paper. It had a lot of good masculine patterns in it that I really liked. Okay. On the back, you put your pieces here for your sentiment. There we go. And this piece is going to line up right along the bottom, and it fits it side to side. There we are. I think I'm gonna slide this under my mat here while we put the rest of these pieces together. Let me grab some foam tape. Hopefully I have some left. So I'm gonna put my glove on first. I think I'm going to use foam tape on the ball. I've been meaning to get around to doing some sports files for a while. It's harder to think of male cards to do, and I do have two boys. little piece there that I did not pull out, and I think I glued it down. So I guess that's going to stay. Okay, so I'm going to pop this on the glove with some foam tape. I think one piece should be enough. Oh, before I do that, these little X's, and they are little, but they just need a dab of glue to make them stick. These are the stitches here, and they go, well, you can't even see that. Let's just pop this off for a second. I should have done them in a different color, and I didn't, so let's see if I can darken them up a little bit with some ink. Let's see. Oh yes, okay. Let me just take a minute here and ink my little X's. Get ink all over my fingertips. I'm not making cards if I don't have ink all over my hands. Okay, that is better. Much better. There we go. Since I have glue on my fingertips, I can just roll the ink right off. There we go. So it just takes a little dab of glue. That sounds like deja vu. I almost need my pickup tool for these. And they go right between the space here between the slat and the down curve between the fingers. Just right in there. Okay, there we are. And now we can add the ball. Oop. Okay. And then on this one we have the two pats. So there's nothing too difficult about this part. Just a little bit of paper piecing here. I have to be careful touching that the glue there because my fingertips have ink on them. I don't want to smudge it up. Oops. Okay, there's those two pieces. Now I've got this piece here will glue onto the inside of the back. So you just want to, whoops. It goes edge to edge. Then you just want to kind of center that so that you have a little bit of a border around this one. There we go. Okay, now let's pull our card out. We're going to glue this to the inside. Whoops. There we go. And now make sure your tabs have been folded. Now we're going to put our inserts in. We're going to do those by laying them out flat right on the inside of the card and just gluing it down. So your insert is all out flat. Lay out your tabs. I like to stand my card up because then I can line this up by being on the table. And you just push it right into this back corner. Lay the card down and it's gluing to this side. There we are. Now the next piece we're going to do the same thing with. Leave it open. We're going to lay it right up there and glue it right into the space. There we go. And now I'm going to add glue to my tabs. And I'm not getting it too close to the edges because I don't want the glue to go over the edges and get onto the piece below it. So you leave your side down flat and fold this with your opposite side open. It lays over and it glues right to your tabs. You want to work it both ways. Train your paper to fold both ways so that it doesn't matter which way your recipient closes the card. Just tuck that tab right in there and close her up. Again, fold it both ways, back and forth, and there is the baseball envelope card. Thank you for joining me.